I made an in-depth video review of the Caddx Protos, and I made it so detailed that it is also a manual for those who decide for the Protos. After this in-depth review from me, you'll know everything about the Caddx Protos Ready-to-Fly FPV Beginner Kit. Watch this video to be fully informed. You can find the link to my complete Caddx Protos video guide in the video description of this video. I hope you liked the video, and if so, you can support my work on ko-fi.com, give this video a like, write a comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want to be informed when I make a new video. I will make at least 2 more videos about the Protos. Stay tuned. Now I wish you lots of fun learning FPV flying. Also check out the tutorials on this channel about learning FPV flying and line-of-sight flying.